Hey everybody, Brandon with Bearded CB82. So this evening, yes evening, it's 8 o'clock. It's been a hell of a long day. Damn air compressor! Alright, well, the battery died on this. I had to run and go get parts. Because this U-joint right here, which is a brand new U-joint from our parts supply people that have it listed as a Spicer part number, but it's from China, is absolutely junk. It's bound in there already. So today we're going to talk about, one, cheap aftermarket parts, and I hope to God they don't charge us anywhere near close as to what Spicer parts cost. I'll grab those in a minute. But also the Tiger Tool heavy duty U-joint puller. Gotta love heavy shop tools. But we're gonna get to see this guy in action since, well, nobody else is here and I had to redo what should already have been done about a good 45 minutes ago. So, I've got my snap-on impact right there. I've got it attached to an 1.25 inch socket to pry this puppy out of there. So I'm gonna be moving you guys around a little bit so you can see, and it's probably going to get a little bit loud. Ugh. But I've got it propped up here. Take these junk ass freaking caps from this other one. Does work best. Oh, you gotta be kidding me, man. If you do have the caps installed, yeah, brand new freaking U-joint. I'll stick with that here in a minute. Probably gonna be cutting in and out just to save on time on the video. So if you see me edit stuff out, probably because I'm swearing, so it's all good. Alright, first, oh yeah, there's one thing. Okay, hose end. Okay, gonna take these damn things back off. Don't mind the air. Lock tabs, first sign of a cheap U-joint. Not too much room to work down here either. These little bitty parts I'm not too worried about. Flip this pain in the ass over. Yeah, snap-on light died. I left it on. Quiet. Well, I had to run out to Freightliner, take these bolts, shove those into the trash. Freaking cheap aftermarket parts, making my life hell when my life was already long enough of a day as it was. You want to put these in your own vehicle, you do what you want to do, but on a fleet vehicle, I recommend something at least a little bit better. Yeah, these are Automan or Automan, whatever, cheap made in China crap. those over there, where I was at, trying to get these caps off. Ugh. So the needles don't even stay in place. Well, needles don't even want to go in right. I'm gonna straighten this out. Oh. So I loosen the pressure and now it wants to work right? No, I'm not using this U-joint. Because now that I took the caps off, it's loose. That's just not right. This thing is not going to see the road. I just won't let it. I value y'all's lives that much that I'm not going to let this piece of crap U-joint be on the road, because that should not happen. Just get on that piece of shit. Alright, now we got those on there. Move that out of the way. Oops. That out of the way. Gonna take tiger tool, spin it back a little bit. Might fast forward through some of this, so bear with me. Alright, so one other thing to keep in mind, this one will pop out a little easier than typical, just because I just popped the old one out already. But the force multiplier on this is awesome for those really stubborn and stuck U-joints. Yeah, it makes a difference. Just get it to hold still. Use your impact going forward, which makes it even nicer. Alright. Usually it takes a little bit more pressure, but I was trying to get out of here in a hurry. Off. Oh, that's how we do U-joints here at this shop. So with this guy, tiger tool, part number 10102, made in Canada, extra heavy duty. Anywhere, find them from, sorry about that. Find them from anywhere from about $250 to $300. If you're planning on doing U-joints, though, it's going to make your life a whole lot easier. So, just to let you guys know, it would not be wasted money, for sure. Damn air compressor. But, anyways, I'll try to see where else I can find it at. Every once in a while it is on Amazon, so I'll put a link to there. Maybe you got some Amazon credit or something like that you want to put towards a nice heavy duty shop tool. Other than that, there's a couple other places like I said, I'll whatever places I find, I'll list the price number down with them in the website. So, anyways, I gotta get this guy rolling. Thanks for coming in for this nice little bitty tutorial on heavy duty truck parts U-joint removal and its tools. And remember, don't buy cheap parts. You're gonna piss your mechanic off. Later.